My love for Dubai daw, oh. Tapos tignan mo yung mga videos niya for Prince Hamdan Pasa. Why Facebook allow these things? They knows that this the location owner of these accounts who manage is other people, but why they allowed? It's unfair. You know, you want to say the about? You see this 593. Dubai United Arab Emirates. They are using this hometown. Check the page transparency. The information. People who manage this page, primary country, region, location of people who manage this page included Iraq. So the person who managed this is Iraq. This country is Iraq. They are using the United Arab Emirates, but the truth is the country is Iraq. Okay? So good luck.